Google has released a new AI tool that can be game changer for businesses, startups, and marketers. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how that's gonna work. So without any further ado, let's just start with it. We all know how important it is to be present on social media as a business, whether it could be through organic post or through paid advertisement. And this is where the issue arises for the business. Businesses face three major problems. First, either they don't have enough time to create those posts. Second, they don't have enough budget to hire a creative team to handle those things for them. And third one, they don't actually know how to use these tools because they are not technical persons. And this tool resolves all these three problems, and now businesses can directly leverage this AI tool and create stunning visuals for their brand and for their products. Now enough talk, let me just show you exactly how this is gonna work. So as you can see on my screen, this is Pomelli. Pomelli is the tool which we are talking about, and you can access it on this site. I will link it in the description. You can just check it out from there. It basically works in three steps. First, you enter your business details, mainly the business website, and then it generates your business DNA. Now, humans have DNA, that's unique identity of any human. The same way, this is going to be unique identity for your business. Then it creates the marketing campaign ideas, and then it generates the creatives which you can directly use into your marketing campaign, whether it could be paid or it could be organic post on Insta, Facebook, whatever the thing is. Now, how to use this tool? So simply click on this let's go button, and this is where it will ask you to enter your website. I'm entering this site of one of my friend's business. It's Kokulam Gear, and then I'll click on continue, and it will analyze the business for creating the business DNA. As you can see on the screen, it is scanning the website, it is analyzing it, it is gathering colors, and it's creating the brand values and assets for it. So we'll just wait for it to process this entire thing. Perfect. So now it has created this business DNA for Gokulam Gear. And as you can see, the logo, fonts, colors, tagline, brand values, brand tone and voice, brand aesthetics, and brand overview, all things are created just within like a few minutes here. Now, if everything looks good, just click on this next button. Otherwise, you can just modify it here. Just click on it and modify the details that you want to add in here. Simply, it looks good, so I will click on looks good, and then it will create these campaigns for me. These are some of the suggestions here. You can use any of the suggestions, or you can just ask here and it will suggest the ideas for you. They have this product pure ghee, so I want to promote the ghee, and I will ask it to generate some ideas here. As you can see, it generated some of the ideas, and let me just click on this one. So this is like Ayurveda's golden fuel ghee, and it's a marketing campaign that is being designed here, and it will suggest some of the creatives here. Just simply look at this graphic here. So they just created this one, Ayurveda's golden fuel, unlock 3 essential health benefits of pure A2 Gir Gaur Mata ghee. Exactly, A2 is not their name, not aware of it, but yeah, Gir Gaur Mata ghee. I will write that one here for the description part, and we need to add some call to action, so I will add a call to action as well. Let's see what it comes up with in the second version here. Perfect. And see, it is like very branded material here. Second one, this one, you see this placement here, it's like exact product being placed into this environment. They don't have this actual image on their site, but this is a generated image. Like AI automatically generates this image, it just places it there and it just does the things. Perfect. Look at those readabilities. And then this one, exact placement here. So that was Pomelli in action. It is still in its early phase. It's in beta right now, available in US, Canada, and a limited region. If you are in India, you can just directly use VPN just to access it. It's a really powerful tool. But because it is in early phase, it might lag or it might make some mistakes here and there. But that's where our touch can make it even better, because we know what we want and we can just create it. Let me know what do you think about this one in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya.